Welcome back to Power Tool Review. Today, we're checking out 19 new coolest bike gadgets on Amazon that can seriously upgrade your cycling experience. I always enjoy finding gear that makes rides safer, smarter, and a lot more fun, and this list is packed with clever innovations. Whether you ride daily or just on weekends, these gadgets can add convenience and performance to your setup. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
RideGuard TPMS System. The RideGuard TPMS system gives me real-time tire pressure monitoring right on my handlebars. I love how it instantly alerts me if pressure drops or rises beyond safe levels, helping prevent flats and improving overall performance. The small sensors attach easily to the valve stems, and the wireless display is clear and easy to read, even while riding. It's incredibly helpful for long-distance rides where consistent tire pressure makes a huge difference in efficiency and comfort. Installation is quick, and the system feels durable enough to handle rough terrain and changing weather conditions. Keeping my tires properly inflated not only boosts speed, but also extends tire life. For anyone serious about cycling safety and performance, this smart pressure monitoring system is a total game changer. Viking Guard Chain Lock. The Viking Guard Chain Lock gives me serious peace of mind when I park my bike. It's built with heavy-duty, hardened steel links that resist cutting and tampering. I immediately noticed how solid and durable it feels compared to basic cable locks. The protective sleeve prevents scratches on my bike frame while keeping the chain weather-resistant. The locking mechanism is smooth and reliable, making it quick to secure and remove. I like that it's long enough to wrap around larger poles or bike racks without struggling. Despite its strength, it's surprisingly manageable to carry in a frame bag or backpack. For city riders or anyone parking in public areas, this chain lock delivers strong security without unnecessary book. It's a smart investment for protecting your ride. ThunderGuard Bike Alarm. The ThunderGuard Bike Alarm adds an extra layer of security that I really appreciate. Once installed, it detects vibrations and movement, triggering a loud alarm if someone tries to tamper with my bike. The sound is powerful enough to grab attention immediately, which helps deter potential thieves. I love that it comes with a remote control, allowing me to arm and disarm it easily. Installation takes just minutes, and it mounts discreetly without affecting the bike's appearance. The sensitivity levels are adjustable, so I can customize it depending on where I park. It's rechargeable, which means no constant battery replacements. For riders who want added protection beyond a traditional lock, this smart alarm system offers reliable, convenient security every day. RideView HD Camera. The RideView HD camera is perfect for capturing every moment on the road or trail. I mounted it easily to my handlebars, and the footage quality immediately impressed me with its crisp, high-definition clarity. Whether I'm commuting or riding scenic routes, it records smooth video that's great for sharing or reviewing rides. The wide-angle lens captures more of the surroundings, adding extra safety awareness. I also appreciate the loop recording feature, which ensures continuous recording without worrying about storage. It's built tough to handle vibration and different weather conditions. The battery life holds up well for longer rides, and transferring footage is simple. For cyclists who want both safety documentation and fun ride footage, this camera delivers excellent performance.
MagTwist Bike Bottle. The MagTwist Bike Bottle makes hydration incredibly convenient during rides. Instead of struggling with traditional cages, this bottle uses a magnetic twist lock system that snaps securely into place. I can grab it quickly with one hand and snap it back just as easily without looking down. The magnetic mount feels surprisingly strong, even on bumpy roads. I love the sleek design that keeps my bike frame looking clean and modern. The bottle itself is lightweight, durable, and easy to squeeze for quick hydration. Installation of the magnetic base is simple and secure. It's especially useful for smaller frames where traditional bottle cages don't fit well. For riders who want faster access and a smarter design, this bottle system feels innovative and practical. UniGrip Stroller Holder. The UniGrip Stroller Holder might sound unexpected, but I've found it incredibly useful for versatile mounting needs. Originally designed for strollers, it works perfectly on bike handlebars to hold bottles, coffee cups, or small gear. The adjustable clamp attaches securely without slipping, and it fits different handlebar sizes easily. I appreciate the flexible grip arms that hold items tightly, even on rough rides. Installation takes just seconds with no tools required. It's made from durable materials that withstand vibration and daily use. I've used it for drinks during casual rides and even to hold compact speakers. If you want a multi-purpose holder that adapts to different gear, this clever accessory offers surprising convenience on every ride.
FlexRide Suspension Post. The FlexRide suspension post instantly improves comfort on longer rides. It absorbs shocks and vibrations from rough roads or trails, reducing strain on my lower back. I noticed a smoother ride almost immediately after installation. The suspension mechanism responds naturally to bumps without feeling too soft or unstable. It's adjustable, allowing me to fine-tune the tension based on my weight and riding style. The build quality feels solid and durable, designed to handle daily commuting or weekend adventures. Installation is straightforward, fitting most standard seat tubes. For riders who deal with uneven terrain, this upgrade makes a noticeable difference in comfort. It's a simple modification that dramatically enhances overall riding experience and endurance. PicaBoost Power Kit. The PicaBoost Power Kit transforms a regular bike into an electric-assisted ride. I love how it provides extra boost when climbing hills or riding long distances. The compact motor attaches securely and delivers smooth power without overwhelming the ride feel. It's lightweight compared to traditional e-bike systems, making it more flexible. The battery performance is impressive, offering reliable assistance for extended rides. Installation requires minimal adjustments and the control interface is intuitive. I can switch between assistance levels easily depending on terrain. It feels like having a personal tailwind whenever I need it. For cyclists who want extra support without buying a full electric bike, this power kit delivers convenience and performance in one smart upgrade.
Night View Bike Mirror. The Night View Bike Mirror improves visibility and awareness during rides. I mounted it easily to my handlebars, and the adjustable arm allows perfect positioning. The wide reflective surface gives a clear, distortion-free view of traffic behind me. I especially appreciate its anti-glare design, which reduces bright headlight reflections during night rides. The sturdy construction keeps it stable even on rough roads. It folds inward when not in use, protecting it from accidental damage. For city riding or busy roads, having a reliable rear view makes a huge safety difference. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to adjust on the go. For riders focused on safety and confidence, this mirror is a smart and practical addition. DynoVolt Bike Generator. The DynoVolt Bike Generator lets me create power while I ride. It connects to my wheel and converts motion into usable electricity. I can charge small devices like lights or even my phone during longer trips. The energy conversion feels smooth without creating noticeable drag. I appreciate the eco-friendly aspect of generating clean energy from pedaling. Installation is simple and it fits securely without interfering with performance. It's especially useful for touring or bikepacking adventures where access to outlets is limited. The build quality feels durable enough for extended use in different weather conditions. For riders who value sustainability and self-powered solutions, this generator adds both practicality and innovation to every journey.
Blastone Bike Horn. The Blastone Bike Horn is surprisingly powerful for its compact size. When I press the button, it produces a loud, attention-grabbing sound that ensures I'm heard in traffic. It's much more effective than a standard bike bell. The horn mounts easily to the handlebars, and the control button is positioned conveniently for quick access. I appreciate the rechargeable battery, which eliminates constant replacements. It's weather-resistant and built to handle daily riding conditions. Whether I'm navigating busy streets or shared paths, having a strong, audible warning increases safety significantly. It's lightweight and doesn't clutter my setup. For riders who want better communication and road presence, this horn delivers clear, reliable sound every time. TrailFix Bike Multi-Tool. The TrailFix Bike Multi-Tool is something I never ride without. It combines multiple essential tools into one compact device that fits easily in my pocket or saddlebag.
From tightening bolts to adjusting brakes or derailleurs, it handles quick fixes efficiently. The sturdy steel construction feels durable and reliable. Each tool folds smoothly in and out, staying secure during use. It's incredibly helpful during long rides when small adjustments become necessary. I've used it on trails and city streets, and it consistently performs well. The lightweight design means I barely notice I'm carrying it. For cyclists who want to stay prepared without adding bulk, this multi-tool is a practical and dependable companion.
Space Spin Bike Mount. The Space Spin Bike Mount offers a creative way to attach accessories to my handlebars. Its rotating design allows flexible positioning for lights, cameras, or GPS units. I like how it helps maximize limited handlebar space without overcrowding everything. Installation is quick and secure, and it holds devices firmly even on rough terrain. The durable construction resists vibration and shifting during rides. The adjustable angles make it easy to customize my setup for visibility and comfort. It's especially helpful for riders who use multiple gadgets at once. For organizing gear efficiently and maintaining a clean cockpit, this mount delivers smart functionality with a compact footprint. TurboLite Bike Pump. The TurboLite Bike Pump is compact but surprisingly powerful. I keep it attached to my frame and it's always ready when I need it. Despite its small size, it inflates tires quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle makes pumping comfortable even at higher pressures. It's compatible with both common valve types, which adds convenience. The durable aluminum body feels sturdy without adding unnecessary weight. I've used it during roadside fixes and it performs reliably every time. The secure mounting bracket keeps it stable while riding. For cyclists who want dependable inflation on the go, this pump offers portability, durability, and strong performance in one compact tool. MotoGrip Phone Mount. The MotoGrip phone mount keeps my phone stable and secure during rides. Its strong clamp system grips my device firmly, even on bumpy terrain. I appreciate the adjustable arms that fit different phone sizes without blocking the screen. The 360-degree rotation allows me to switch between portrait and landscape easily. Installation is straightforward and it mounts tightly to the handlebars. The shock-absorbing design reduces vibration, keeping navigation clear and readable. It's built from durable materials that handle outdoor conditions well. Whether I'm using GPS, tracking rides, or taking calls with a headset, this mount provides steady support. For riders who rely on their smartphones, it's a reliable and practical upgrade. Night Beam Bike Lights. The Night Beam bike lights completely upgrade my nighttime visibility. As soon as I mounted them, I noticed how incredibly bright and wide the beam spread is. They light up the road clearly, helping me spot obstacles well in advance. I really like the multiple lighting modes, including steady, flashing, and high-intensity options for different riding conditions. The USB rechargeable battery makes charging simple and convenient, and the runtime easily lasts through long evening rides. Installation takes just seconds with the secure strap system, and they stay firmly in place even on rough terrain. The rear light adds extra visibility from behind, increasing safety in traffic. For anyone who rides after sunset or in low-light conditions, these lights provide confidence, clarity, and dependable performance.
Ride Vault Frame Bag. The Ride Vault Frame Bag is perfect for keeping essentials organized without adding bulk. It fits snugly within the bike frame, maintaining a sleek and aerodynamic look. I use it to store my phone, wallet, multi-tool, and energy snacks, and there's still room to spare. The durable, water-resistant material keeps everything protected during unexpected weather. I love the smooth zipper design, which makes accessing items quick and easy while on the go. The interior compartments help prevent items from shifting around during rides. Installation is simple, with adjustable straps that hold the bag securely in place. It doesn't interfere with pedaling or bottle cages, which is a huge plus. For everyday commuting or longer adventures, this frame bag adds smart, practical storage. SpinSight Bike Mirrors. The SpinSight bike mirrors offer a wider and more flexible rear view compared to standard mirrors. I mounted them to the ends of my handlebars, and the difference in visibility was immediate. The convex mirror design provides a broad field of view, helping me stay aware of traffic and other riders. I appreciate how easily they adjust to the perfect angle without loosening over time. The build feels solid and resistant to vibration, so the image stays stable even on uneven roads. They fold inward when parked, preventing damage in tight spaces. Installation is quick and secure, fitting most handlebars effortlessly. For riders who prioritize safety and awareness, these mirrors provide clear, dependable visibility during every ride.
Ride Capsule Toolkit. The Ride Capsule Toolkit is my go-to emergency solution on every ride. It's a compact, all-in-one repair kit designed to handle common roadside issues. Inside, I get essential tools, tire levers, and patch materials neatly organized in a sturdy capsule case. I love how portable it is, fitting easily in a frame bag or jersey pocket. The tools feel durable and well-built, ready for real-world use when needed. Having everything in one organized kit saves time and stress during unexpected breakdowns. The waterproof casing keeps components protected from moisture and dirt. Whether I'm commuting or exploring longer routes, this kit gives me confidence that I'm prepared. It's a small investment that delivers huge peace of mind.
Those were 19 new coolest bike gadgets that can completely upgrade your cycling experience. From smart safety tools to comfort upgrades and innovative power solutions, each product brings something unique to the ride. I love discovering gear that makes cycling safer, more efficient, and way more fun. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, check the links below for more details. Let me know in the comments which one you'd add to your bike first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Power Tool Review for more awesome gear breakdowns and honest product reviews every week.